All right, 13, 14, and 15, this time we're graphing a hyperbola. A hyperbola looks sort of like this when you're done. It's either going to go this way if the x squared is positive, or going to go this way if the y squared is positive. So in general form, if my x squared is positive, I'm going to have x minus h squared minus y minus k squared over a squared b squared equals 1. Notice for a hyperbola we have a subtraction in here instead of an addition like we did on the ellipse. Same type of thing happens when I solve this. My center again is at hk. So my center is going to be at 3, 5. Square root of 25 is going to be 5. That's going to go right and left because it's under the x. The square root of 16 is 4. That's going to be the up or down since that's under the y. So what's going to happen is you're going to first of all place the center, which is at 3, 5. Then you're going to go the x direction first. Since the x is positive, you're going to move over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your vertex. It's going to say draw the rectangle. You're then going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's going to happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. On Alex, it's going to draw this box in here like this. And it's going to have the diagonals drawn through the box, if I could draw straight. And my ellipse is going to open up left and right. So my ellipse is going to go like this, or my hyperbola is going to go left and right. So my hyperbola is going to open up like that. So you'll place the center, and if your x is first, means you're going to go 5 to the right, 4 up. It's going to draw that box in there, and it's going to draw your hyperbola going to the left and to the right. If I clear that and hop over on Alex for fun, if I look at my Alex tools, on this one, notice my x squared is first. So my center is going to be at 2, 5. So going to 2 and up to 5. These ones hop by a half, so you have to be careful that you're at 2, 5. Now my vertex is going to go 5 to the right since that's under my x. So I'm going to end up over here at 7. If I get that in the right spot. My y is going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it says place the rectangle. Only be careful, don't do what I just did. I counted 4 clicks, but these are each going up by a half. So if I'm at 5 and I want to go up 4, I should end up at 9. So make sure you get your thing. I always double check here once it's drawn and you can see, you can count better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Yes, I have the right rectangle. And then it just automatically draws your hyperbola in there for you. Ah, it says I did it correct. So if I go back over here to number 14, number 14, notice that one is the other way around. The y squared is first. That tells me it's going to go up and down. Now my center, when I do this, I'm still thinking at y minus k squared and x minus h squared. So when I do my center, the h is with the x, the k is with the y. It's just the way it's going to open up and down is different. So when I look at the center of this one, my center is going to be negative 4 with the x, 0 with the y. So negative 4, 0. So at negative 4, 0, I'm going to have my center. Square root of 16 is 4. That's going to be the up or down first. The square root of 9 is 3. That's going to be your right or left. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 up, which also is going to show 1, 2, 3, 4 down. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3 to the left, and my rectangle is going to look something sort of like that. So on Alex, when you draw that, you have to do the 4 up first, then draw the rectangle by going 3 to the right, and your hyperbola is going to open going up and down, sort of like that. So again, if I hop over to the Alex program, notice on this next one, the Y is first. So when I do my center is going to be at -5, +4. The X first and then the Y. So -5, +4 would be right there. Again, just move it over to the edge so you can see you were at -5, +4. Now I'm going to do my Y first. So to place my vertex, the square root of 25 is 5, so I got to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was at 4, should be at 9. That looks good. Placing my rectangle then, remember that would be over 1. The x plus 5 squared would be over 1. So I'm going to go 1 to the right. And so I'm just going to double check that. I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, 1 to the right, and my hyperbola is going up and down because my y's were first. It doesn't want me to click check. I must have to check with the with my mouse. Maybe it's just really slow. So if I check that, it says, yep, that's good. So going back over here on Alex on number 15, or on our notes number 15, this one my X is first. So I know it's going to go open up to the right and to the left. My center will be at 3, 5. Square root of 25 is going to be 5 to the right. Square root of 16 is going to be 4 up. So my center would be at 3, 5. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 up. 4 up. Square root of 16 is 4. I didn't even write that. 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is going to draw a rectangle on Alex with the diagonals through the center. Since I did the right direction first, my hyperbola should open up to the left and to the right. So if the x squared is positive, my hyperbola opens up left and right.